Howdy YouTubers, I finally got around to finishing my flat car, maintenance away flat car, which is meant to be paired up with my OTM tracker on the Herzog gondola. So between op sessions I'll pull out this 2-car maintenance away train and it'll be left on the main to do work down at the south end of the layout in the industrial area there. It gives me a little something extra to do. So I've got this A-line chain here. It's not an advert, it's just what I found. It's 40 links per inch. I went to Michael's and tried to find chain, and honestly this is the best looking stuff in my opinion. So I got some off eBay. It's not that expensive. But that chain is going to go around some of the things you see on the flat car. So what's on the flat car? I've got some old washed out ties that have been removed from the track and they still have the tie plates on them. I've got some implements that go on the end of that OTM tracker, so if they want to change that out when they're in the field. I've got some old rusty rail sections on there to scale. They're like 39 feet, which I think is standard or old standard. And then that black box on a pallet is just a styrene bin I made. I've got to finish weathering that, and I'm going to fill that with tie plates. I've ordered Mini Prints, I think it is, makes 3D printed a lot of cool stuff, but they also make tie plates, so I'll rust color those, put some in the bin, throw some on the deck of the flat car. But I want to give it a really grungy, beat up look because it is a maintenance away car. And to improve it, it's a Walthers, so I changed out the trucks with nicer, more contemporary trucks, and I also put Katy couplers on the ends, and it's a good runner. I do need to weather that Herzog gondola because in contrast it doesn't look as nice now that I've got this really grunged up flat car. So let's take it out to the main. Of course, we've got the Caboose that I showed in a prior video, and I've also talked about that scratch built OTM tracker on top of the gondola in prior videos. I'll put the links in the description. All right, so let's go. So I've got this siding here on the extension. The extension has a main with a signal, and it's also got this siding, which is where I park my maintenance away. By the way, these Human City is his YouTube channel mentioned this. These are knitting needles. My wife knits, so these are I think number 5 or 7. They're aluminum, and they work great because they're smooth and they don't wear out like the bamboo sticks. So I'm going to run around this consist tube. That's it. I hope you like it. As always, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.